up? Welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my look right now. I'm like very tired, and please excuse the lighting. This is like my room light. So this is pretty much all I got for you guys right now, so please excuse the quality. Anyways, back to what I was gonna say. For today's video, I do have a very special treat for you guys. So this video is all about the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 model. And if you guys are wondering, like, what? When did you just get a new laptop? Well, let me spill the tea. I got this MacBook back in December of 2017. Yes, I said December 2017, so it's been a really long time. You're probably wondering, why didn't you do an unboxing as soon as you got it? Well, there's another answer for that question. My answer to that is because I had lost the original footage of me unboxing the laptop. So I'm gonna make it up to you guys by doing this video and kind of doing a recreation of the unboxing. So if you guys want to see and hear all the juicy details about my MacBook Pro, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get straight to it and open up the box. So let's get started. If it looks like really close, please excuse that. I'm trying to keep it like a really close range so you guys can see me better because of the dull lighting. So if the box looks like really close, it's because the camera, or my phone camera, is like really close. So I'm just gonna open it. As you guys can see, like the little like writing, it looks so nice. It's so cool because the light reflection shows the color, and it's silver, which is what I got the MacBook in. And here it is, ladies and gents. It looks so nice. It's, oh my god, I love the Apple logo. I'm like literally getting chills right now as I like do this unboxing. It's like I'm reliving it. When I first got it and I first opened it, I was so excited. It's literally giving me chills. So let me take it out of the box without killing it. We don't need to worry about all the stuff. We already know what comes with it. You have your little packet in here, which kind of gives you like a quick start guide. And let me see, it gives you stickers as well, which basically comes with every Apple product. You get stickers in the box. You have your power brick, and then you had your charging cable, which I already took out right now. So let's just take a quick glance at this beauty. Isn't it just beautiful? The reflection though from the Apple logo, I'm literally living for. It's so cute. Let's open up this baby and let's see. So I'm going to be very careful because I have nails and I don't want to scratch it. I've been very careful with this laptop. So let me open it up. Okay. So I kind of had it started up already when I first got it. So I couldn't really kind of, you know, make it look brand new again because that kind of would erase everything that I had. So let me type in my password and I will show you what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it like this. I did put the brightness down a little bit so you guys could see it, and this is what my laptop looks like, and I will give you a closer look. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna switch the camera around using another phone to record, and I will show you what I have on my screen, my files, and all the applications, some of them that already come with it, and I will show you some that I had from my previous MacBook, which I used to get on here using the application Migration Assistant. I think that's what it's called. I believe that's what it's called. Let me look it up on here. I do have it on, yeah. So it's Migration Assistant, which you can use to kind of switch your stuff from one MacBook to another MacBook. which is, I believe, what I did when I first got it. I switched everything from my old MacBook to this new one. So everything that was on the old one came on here. A lot of the stuff didn't go on here, like Final Cut Pro, which is one thing that I wanted to get, but it didn't cross. So I think the new one is Final Cut Pro X, which is the new one, which I don't have, and it's like, I think, $500. Girl, I do not have that. Ladies and gents, I do not have $500. So for now, I'm using iMovie to do all my videos. So let me switch the screen, or switch the screen around and switch the camera so you guys can see what is on my laptop. So let's go. Alright guys, so I went to about this MacBook. This is what the current version of the update is running on, the laptop is running on. It's Mac OS High Sierra, which is the latest update so far. I heard there's, I think, a Mojave update coming on, which is the new Mac OS update, which is coming soon this fall. So let me go out of here, and this is kind of my dock here of the applications that I use. I don't really use most of them, but I just keep them there. So I have applications like iTunes, which I use for music, my photos, FaceTime, messages, maps, notes, calendar, contacts, mail, which I do use a lot. I check my emails a lot. Safari and Chrome, which are my two top internet access applications. And then you have your Launchpad, which I'll show in a second. I have iBooks, which I don't use, but it's just there. And then you have System Preferences, which gives you all the good stuff that this MacBook has. So basically it's like settings, but System Preferences for the MacBook. And then I have my apps here, my two favorite apps here, which is Spotify and iMovie, which I'm currently using right now to do all of my video editing and creating all these wonderful videos for you guys. And let's go to my Launchpad, and these are just more of the applications that I have on here. My other favorite is Photo Booth, because that's another app of how I record my videos, and I also use my iPhones that I have. You have Pages, Numbers, Keynote, and then I also have, let me try and, yeah, there you go, scroll that way. I have Firefox, Google Chrome, I have Microsoft Excel, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Silverlight, Spotify, VLC. I have this new app that's, I guess, supposed to work for video editing, Wondershare Filmora. I don't know if I said that right, but that's like a new app that's been going on with ads on YouTube. So I decided to download it and give it a try. So this is my Launchpad, and that's pretty much it. That's my screen, my whole screen. I do have a couple files here, my YouTube videos, wallpaper, future music videos, prom. So there's a mixture of like pictures and different files. And that's my MacBook. Alright guys, so that is pretty much the end of my video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video with me, as I had a lot of fun kind of recreating the unboxing of this MacBook Pro, which I've had for a couple months, since December. My overall thoughts about it, I really do like it. It's really, you know, helpful for me with my video editing and, you know, for school and research and all that stuff, and having fun listening to music, you know, all that good stuff. So, I mean, if you're, you know, looking for a laptop, and if it's on your budget, I mean, I didn't pay for it, but it was, I would say I did get it at a good price. I believe it was with tax and everything. I think it was $1,300 that I got it for. So it was a couple $100s off because I was a student and because I did the price comparison. So I got a really good deal. But I mean, I'm not saying, you know, this is the only like computer I recommend. I mean, you can get, you know, like the Chromebook, or, you know, like a Microsoft laptop, you know, Windows laptop. You know, whatever is your preference, and also, you know, including your, you know, your price range. But for me, I'm a really big Apple product person, so I decided to go with the MacBook Pro. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. That is the end of my video. I wish I could show you more, but that will be for the other videos that I do have coming for you guys. I do have currently a Q&A coming pretty soon. I hope you guys will be there to see it when I upload it. Please don't forget to also leave this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notifications so that every time that I upload a new video, you will be the first to be aware. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of my videos, stay tuned because I got them already hot and coming for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!